Andy, what was your journey to shadow work?
My journey to shadow work was actually, it was a girl. It was a girl who dragged me, and it was heartbreak. Heartbreak. I feel heartbreak is a big thing, and dealing with grief. That's kind of how I got into shadow work, and it was actually wasn't until after. So I had met Norma, who's our main facilitator here,
Yeah.
for our retreats in Las Vegas, and I had met her and not done any shadow work, but then I was in a relationship with a lady in Las Vegas, and after that relationship ended, I really started deep diving into shadow work and really started to learn a lot about different parts of myself, and actually started to feel a lot more feelings,
Yeah.
and really started to dive into those feelings and try to figure out what that told me about myself. And I actually, was doing that for about a year, and then I met Ewan here in Bali, and he was like, I do men's retreats. I have one going on in the UK. Would you like to join? And I've always kind of been interested in doing a men's retreat, and for probably about a year before I met you, it's kind of was like calling to me.
Okay.
And the opportunity was here, and we're in Bali, and I was just like, let's do this.
Yeah, hopped on a plane to the UK. I'm like, serious? You're going to fly all the way to the UK for it?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
I feel like when there's a calling, you don't even think twice about that.
Yeah.
Like you just book the ticket and you're like, I need to be there.
Yeah.
How did the grief come up for you that made you feel like, wait, I think I need help?
So what's happening in that relationship was I was never really in touch with my emotions. So I feel I was never in touch with, people say emotions is more of like a feminine thing, boys shouldn't feel their emotions. Don't cry, boys shouldn't cry, men shouldn't cry. So I was raised on that as well. So I really felt I suppressed a lot of my emotions. And in that relationship, it was a beautiful thing. So she really showed me how beautiful it was to actually see those emotions, and seeing those emotions in such a beautiful way allowed emotions to come up for myself. But when emotions started coming up for myself, that's where all those shadows came up too, because where are these emotions? Why am I suppressing all these emotions? And that was kind of the process for me, just all these emotions. And then going through heartbreak, I realized that I had a lot more emotions I really hadn't done. I was, and what happened for me was not only was I going through that breakup when it happened, I realized I never really grieved the end of my marriage with my ex-wife. So then it was just a swell of emotions coming up. And when you haven't felt emotions for so long and they start bubbling up, it can be very intense. So I needed some help in terms of helping me understand what was coming up for me and how to deal with the intensity of this energy that was coming up. And I was lucky that Norma was there for me, and I had started my sessions with her, and I just really started going into a deep dive with shadow work and dealing with these emotions and learning how to move through them and learning what these emotions were actually pointing to.